Ola and Uber, I'm totally against. Views can be different of theirs, whether they are my colleagues or whether they are from the opposition. Every person has got a democratic way to express his views, like how I feel that the app-based taxi of the tourist taxi owners and drivers is the solution. App-based taxi tenka diopti, app करून दो सर office bin setup करून tenka diopti. Government can overall supervise it, and all the expenditure also can be borne by the government. But I strongly feel that there cannot be right now the situation zala strike ते collapse जावपाक जाय. त्रास जाता tourist and त्रास जावं म्हणजे आमकां त्रास.
You feel the solution can come within a night?
Come by today evening, and tomorrow we will, latest in the morning we will communicate to them, or today night only. I am going for a meeting with Chief Minister Vijay Sardesai, leader of Goa Power, also is going. See, we are concerned about the Goans, but there are some things which are out of our limits, which are where Supreme Court guidelines and then notification from the central government. All these things are there. We have to see how best we can help them. We will resolve this issue. Because all these taxi owners and drivers, they are people like us. आमचे ते मनीस, गोंयचे मनीस. ते बारीक धंदो करून आपले पोट भरतात. तांकां आमी गव्हर्मेंट जॉब दिवंक ना. जे कितें लेजिटिमेट डिमांड आहा तेंचो, जे कितें लिगल फ्रेमवर्कान फीट जाता, स्पेशली स्पीड गव्हर्नर लायज जे म्हणटा, हांवूय मान्य करता. तांकां स्पीड गव्हर्नर रॉंग, चुकीची गजाल. Speed governor cannot be imposed on in a small state like Goa. आता आम्ही हेजे व्हडले हायवे करता. Speed governor that was done because of the Supreme Court committee जी काढलेली तेणी सांगलेले Supreme Court committee on speed on road accidents, how road accidents can be reduced. माझी पहिली मागणी आहे तांकां तुम्ही स्ट्रायक कॉलअप करा. दुसरे आमी बसया आनी हेचेर थोडोसो काडया.
Like Vijay said, Goan Taxi Owners Association should have this app-based facility.
That is done. They are also not saying no. Tourist taxi owners and drivers will agree, and earlier also in front of Chief Minister they have agreed to app-based taxi, where bills will come out. That is separate.
But how can you find a solution on the speed governors now?
Speed governor is a question mark right now.
So, does your government has any solution?
I am talking to Additional Solicitor General. I have already called him, Bhushan Natkarni, on this issue. And if something can be worked out by today evening, we will work it out. Because we don't want any tourist coming to Goa to go with bad memories. Tourist जेन्ना गोंया येता तांकां त्रास जावपाक जायना. सेकेंडली ट्युरिस्ट जेन्ना बुकींग करता गोवा तांकां कळलें की स्ट्रायक आहा म्हणून जाल्यार सामकें कॅन्सलेशन कॅन्सील बुकींग गेट्स कॅन्सील. Our state is a tourism state and we cannot deny this.
Peaceful strike which the taxi owners had called. Do you feel that speed governors can be relaxed what they are demanding?
I feel the demand of the Goan taxi owners to relax the guidelines of the Supreme Court with regard to speed governor is valid. Now, roads have been widened in Goa. Modern vehicles are coming, which are not ensuring the vehicle if the speed governors are ahead. These are very plausible and legitimate grievances of the Goan taxi owners. Now, how to resolve it? One is to apply your mind and get it either with the SLP, in the Supreme Court or what. I do not know the exact picture that is concerned. But as a layman, I feel that they have a point. Number two, app-based services. Any threat to go and taxi Uber, and if you are doing this, you will get Uber and all that, is not the right reaction. I think there should be no Uber, no Ola, there should be government. It should be a app-based service controlled by the government, which is app-based.
Okay.
Now the government of Goa can help them make this facility.
Now today they have mentioned that they will continue their peaceful strike tomorrow. So how the government can intervene now? Would the government bend down to their demands or what it is?
No, it's not about bending. They are our people. See, when they are coming on the street in the heat of the tourism season is at prime now. Why should they just stop doing business and come on the street? I think one is to look at their demands with a little bit more compassion, because after all they are our people. And tourism industry is now going out of the hand of the Goica. Taxi is the only trade which is fully of a Goica. I think if they have got legitimate reasons, they have to be examined.
Now would you talk to your CM, Chief Minister, on this?
I will talk to the CM and I will see what best could be done. Although I am not well versed with all the aspects of the issue, I am not the concerned minister.